No, you definitely want Simon in your band.
No, I don't. What if I find a better bassist?
Then hire that bassist. If he finds a better bassist, then that's fair enough. If he can be really good friends with a better bassist, then that's fair.
Maybe I meet one of the most talented musicians in high school. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to pursue guitar.
I know talented musicians, but they're not really my friends.
Like who do you know?
Yeah, there was kid Alex. Who's a guitarist.
Alex Garcia?
No. I know this guy Alex. Is a guitarist. My friend Grant is a drummer. And Grant is Grant is really good.
I'm better than him.
Was Alex the guy that I met at the Yolk? Him and his sister were smiling their asses off.
Back in the day, Grant was actually pretty like the police.
I'm better than him.
You're not.
Is Grant a good drummer?
Yeah, that guy's an animal on the drums.
I'm better than him.
You're not.
That little kid.
You have really simple patterns. You can't stay in time. You play way too loud. I feel like that's the main thing.
Play too loud.
You hit the drums way too
How
loud.
is that a quality of how
You
good
don't
you
need to
are?
hit them that hard.
Oh, definitely. How hard you hit him is definitely a
I
pretty
use
big part.
brushes.
I mean, like some people like hit it like really hard, but those are like really big drum beds, and they like tune their drums a different way. Like Neil Peart, he hits his drums really hard, but like he tunes them in a way that like it isn't as loud that way.
Hey, guys, it's Sulu from Star Trek. It's Sulu from Star Trek. Who?
Sulu. It looks nothing like him.
That's him?
You kind of look like Sulu from Star Trek.
I don't watch Star Trek. I've seen them. I saw the new one with Chris Pine.
I like the new series.
Yeah, Grant used to be really into jazz drumming. He says he still has his kit, but he doesn't play as often.
Who?
What's his deal? What's he like to do?
He likes sports,
Who?
but he's quite a good